So there's a couple unique features about this property, and we'll start right here at the front because it kind of has its own ensuite, almost casita, or like a next gen property. You've got a sitting room here, a full bedroom here, and its own bath. You've actually got its own entrance, and this doorway can also be walled off to be a separate entrance. And then of course you got the traditional formal living space, formal dining that actually connects back through to the kitchen. And then as you come down the hall, it opens to the great grand space with the family room connected to the kitchen. There's enough space for an eat-in breakfast table. And then what's really cool is that you have this connected butler's pantry that opens back up to the dining room. There's a downstairs laundry connected to the 3-car garage. And then the most unique feature of this home is they've got a downstairs primary suite. So this home really lives like a single-story home with the primary and another bedroom, that ensuite casita up front. And they've got 2 more bedrooms up top. We've got a great upgraded primary suite, standalone tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks. So then upstairs, like I said, this house lives like a single story, but with 2 more bedrooms up and a full bath. Then top it all off with this new covered patio. The sellers replaced all the windows and new shutters throughout. You've got this great private yard in the back here with a little bit of a peekaboo view.